What is up, everybody? Why are you dancing? Bro.
Alright guys, Ape Nana has run out of video ideas. So we're gonna be doing the minigun only challenge. Every time we don't win a game, we have to take a shot of Flowberry Fizz.
Yeah! I already even played ranked.
No, it is ranked.
Oh,
On
okay.
screen.
Oh, yeah. So, in the challenge, before we get a minigun, so we can't get a minigun instantly, we can use any other weapon until we find the minigun. And if after we find the minigun, we can only use that. That's our only weapon for the rest of the game. Whoever has the most kills by the end is gonna suck on each other's tip, motherfucker. In front of me. That. Bring minis.
That. Bro! Get that motherfucker, bro!
In front of us. What? Where?
Yep.
Killed one. 100? What the fuck is this thing? Oh, me.
Come on.
I'm healing up, don't die.
Dead.
Nice way.
Dead.
Nice. Dead.
Nice.
Spass on me.
Dead. Dead. What the fuck? What the fuck did he finish me for? Nice.
Dead. Minigun. I see a minigun. What?
What? You're joking, bro.
Bro, we didn't get the minigun till the last motherfuckers.
What am I?
Top the roof.
Bro.
Oh, okay. 100? 180? Bro, kill him.
What the fuck is that? Please. I'm
No,
like, bro.
so bad. I
Fucking
can't.
suck.
Dude, he's already coming towards me, bro.
Wait, hold on.
Kill. Like, just ass at Fortnite, bro. It's so sad.
Motherfucker.
You're healing up right now.
I want that booty, Tom. You can't have my booty.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I can. The booty is mine. It belongs to me. You cannot take my booty. The booty is mine. It belongs
fuck.
to me. You cannot take my booty.
What the fuck is a mythic drum gun? Crack.
I'm not with you, motherfucker.
Bro.
But I'm going towards you.
Fuck it.
Winning that?
If I die, I fucking need to kill myself. He's trying to take the pad! I book it out. Kill that motherfucker. Kill that motherfucker. I killed his teammate.
Nobody has a minigun. Oh, yeah, I have a supply drop. Maybe I can get a minigun for me. Let's check it out.
What am I getting molested for?
I'm going.
Physics? Fuck is this
They're
so
all
mad
on
at
top.
me? What did I do?
Behind you.
I know. I'm gonna shotgun
Heal up.
Yeah? Actually.
Nice.
Fucking idiot. Kill this
Another
motherfucker at the ear.
Where's... Watch me.
Nice.
Nice.
I see him. Hold on. Hold that ball. I'm gonna pull up on this motherfucker.
1 Dead.
Oh.
Oh!
Where's the minigun?
Holy shit, bro. They took him out of this game. Dude, I think they limited them because...
No, we just got one.
Watch me. Nice. Behind you. In there behind you. Fuck is following you. Stay 9.
Good job.
What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn
God, the bloom in this shit is so bad.
No!
No.
Oh, minigun!
Minigun, let's go.
Oh, no.
31. Dead. On you, dead.
Yes!
Nice. Miniguns.
Fuck.
Okay, jump. On me.
Oh, no. Building up. Let me drop everything.
Dude.
Crack, what is me? He's lost fuck.
What is me? What is me?
Where'd you get a minigun from?
What is me? Ah!
Spray that shit.
Yeah.
They're in there.
What is me? Dad! Dad! No!
What are you saying on you?
Crank that soul, now what? Crank
But wait,
that soul, now what? Crank that soul, now
why
what?
you getting so fast?
If you're losing control.
Alright, bro, I can't do it. I can't do this anymore. This is generally making me sad, bro. Alright, minigun challenge. Minigun. Bro!
Crank that soul, now what?
There you go.
Crank that soul, now what?
But wait,
Crank that soul, now what? Crank that